Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change a payment method on Peacock, and it's really easy and simple. So, first things first, you want to go ahead and sign into Peacock, right? Open up your web browser and go to peacocktv.com. Click on sign in and enter your account credentials. Next, what you need to do is you need to go to payment settings. So once logged in, click on the profile icon, select account from the drop down menu, scroll down to the plans and payments section. Then right here, you want to click update payment next to your current payment details. Just go and enter your new card details or choose PayPal, right? And you can just go ahead and click save to confirm the changes. If you're doing card, you need to provide information such as first name, last name, your address, city, state, zip code is a requirement, and then give your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. And if you're doing PayPal, you'll have to log into your PayPal account. It'll open up a new window where you go ahead and log in, and then you can connect. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.